walked outside and it's snowing. And we're about to drive to Sacramento. We're about to say goodbye to our hostel Tahoe. This place is pretty cool. It's gangster ass hostel. Yeah. If you're ever in Lake Tahoe, hit it up. In the summertime or in the winter time. About 30 miles out from Sacramento now. Ben's having a go on the driving. It's good. Pretty okay. Yeah. Yeah. Weather's kind of come right. We're down to about 1,000 feet elevation now. But I don't know if you can really tell, but this road goes straight for probably, I don't know. Probably the rest of the trip. Pretty much as far as you can see into the distance. But yeah, we just stopped in at the servo. Got some cigars. It's a bit of a laugh. But also these here, the Toll House chocolate chip ice cream sandwich things. Fiending them. This is probably like, I don't know, the 5th or 6th one I've had. Wow. Here we are in Sacramento. This is the capital of California. This is where we're staying. It's a pretty epic building. So we're in the Capitol State Building? State Capitol Building. Yes, State Capitol Building. There's a real big safe in there that Caleb's taking photos of. Pretty hard out safe. Yeah. Had a pretty big morning, walking around Sacramento, seeing what's going on, driving that snow and crap. Now we're sitting out in the sun. Beautiful day, have some beers, all good. Not much else to do today. Steaks, beers, good times. It's been a good day.